밤 이렇게 시간이 안 가는지 정말 버스 안에서 going 이불 속에서 going은 언제나 너에게 going.
Good afternoon, everyone. For today's video, we are going to know the keys to a healthy diet. So before that, let us know what are the intended learning outcomes. So at the end of the lesson, the learners are expected to discuss what is key to a healthy diet, 1.1 relevance of the topic providing understandable meaning, accuracy of the information pertaining to the keys to a healthy diet, proper construction of ideas and words. Identify the keys of a healthy diet, clarity of information by being concise to the topic, neatness of delivering the information, accuracy of information pertaining to the execution. Create your own keys of a healthy diet using video presentation, mastery of the topic being constructed and delivered, creativity of the video, neatness of the idea being presented. So first key towards a healthy diet is balanced food you eat with physical activity. So it is very important to also balance a physical activity so that your metabolism will be fast. So every 30 minutes or 1 hour is the minimum physical activity that can help your body regulate proper regulations of food, blood, and other. Next is eat breakfast every day. So as you all know that breakfast is very, very important when you are having a diet. So there's a saying that in the morning you must eat as a king, in the afternoon eat as a queen, and in the evening eat as a baby. So it is very important to eat like 1 cup of rice or egg in the morning so that your body will be productive. Next key is listen to your body signal. So if your body says that you are hungry, then you should eat. You should not starve yourself, because starving yourself is not a healthy practice for your body, because it will just turn a fatality or you will go to the hospital because of ulcer. So next is slow down to eat. So when you are having physical activity, I know some of you will not slow down to eat, but in having a diet, you must have a control of the portion of the food, and then it has a proper time when to eat in the day, so that it has a equal body regulations. Importance in healthy diet is it is very essential for good health and nutrition. It protects you against many non-communicable diseases such as diabetes and cancer. So if you're having a diet, please don't forget to eat vegetables, fruits, the food that can regulate or that can balance your blood sugars, your muscles. So eat more protein so that your bones will be stronger and stronger even you are in a diet and having a physical activity. So I have here a video presentation that is showing you a physical activity that can help you maintain your body figure for your healthy diet. That's all, everyone. I hope you've learned a lot today. Please apply the steps and the keys towards a healthy and fabulous body. Toodles!